Hey, lovely! Do you grow sick of getting angry every time you gaze in the mirror? What if I told you that you could lose weight quickly, naturally, and feel amazing without expensive gym membership or complex gear? Today, I will show the best home fitness workout for women that in only a few minutes daily will change your body and attitude. Stay with me as I disclose the quickest methods of weight loss. You will have a step-by-step strategy by the end of this video to at last meet your objectives. Let me travel back with you last year. I was confused, worn out, and caught on how to reduce weight. I attempted all things, counting how many calories I needed to lose weight, fixating on how many steps a day to lose weight, and fretting about how to lose weight in 7 days. Nothing worked until I realized that simplifying everything and concentrating on strong, consistent movement at home is the finest way to lose weight. I am today sharing my best weight reduction exercises you can execute right in your living room. No excuses, no judgment. Before we begin, leave a comment below and tell me, what one aim are you aiming for this month? I read every comment and love cheering you on. Tip 1, the combination of strength. First of all, let's discuss squats and lunges, the potent combination. These moves burn calories and shape your lower body. If you are seeking fast weight reduction, compound activities like these are vital. Begin with 3 sets of 15 squats, then 3 sets of 12 lunges on each leg. This will cause your heart rate to rise and quick fat burning will be facilitated. Recall, it's more than just exercise. Many of you ask, how many calories should I eat to lose weight? Although your body determines the answer, the rule of thumb is to create a small caloric deficit, say 300 to 500 calories less per day. Tip 2, burns upper body. Next, let us exercise that upper body, perform overhead presses and bicep curls using 2 water bottles or small dumbbells. Yes, diet matters if you want to know how to drop weight without exercise. Movement speeds results. Though, regularity is essential. You're creating momentum even if you can only work for 5 to 10 minutes per day. This is how I quit yo-yo dieting and eventually discovered the most effective approach to lose weight devoid of deprivation. Comment ready below if you find these recommendations useful so I can tell you're dedicated to your change. Tip 3. Core activation. Let's wrap off core. A solid core helps to tighten your waistline and increase your metabolism. Lie down and perform 3 sets of 15 bike crunches and 3 sets of 20 crunches. You will experience the burn, and that is precisely what you want. Many people fail to understand that shedding water weight is as easy as moving daily, drinking lots of water, and cutting back on sodium. These activities will naturally slim you down and flush out toxins. Remember, nutrition accounts for 80% of your success as you're pummeling your exercises. Many of you wonder, how many calories do I need to eat to lose weight quickly, or how many calories to lose weight? Use a calculator to determine your maintenance calories and then reduce 300 to 500 calories. That's the ideal weight loss permanently range. You are not alone if you believe I've tried everything. Years I questioned how to lose weight fast naturally and how to lose weight without exercise, only to find that basic habits and consistency always triumph. Let's quickly review. Lower body strength using lunges and squats. Upper body toning using presses and curls. Core activation with bicycles and crunches, daily hydration, and calorie awareness. You can do this. Show up for yourself. These are the fastest methods of weight loss. You don't need a gym to perform it. Comment below before you depart which of these workouts you are starting first. I am so excited to honor your achievements. Press the like button if you found this video useful. Subscribe for more weight loss advice and enable notifications so you never miss a new video. One little move begins your path to lose weight.